Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Life TV. Today we have, not really an unboxing, but I'm going to show you new skincare products that I'm going to be using in the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested to know what these new skincare products are, keep on watching. It's number 5. For the people who are not new here, obviously the logo looks familiar, the plastic looks familiar, but the stuff inside are new because this is the name of the skincare clinic that I go to, but their skincare brand is new. Hindi lang to siya repackaged, guys. These are actually new products that they are introducing to the market. A few days ago, I went to My Skin to have my very first facial since, I don't know if the last one was 2019. It's my first facial since the start of the pandemic. So that's what happened. And they gave me products to try. So I've been seeing these products obviously from the brand. Let me show you the stuff that I got from My Skin. So the new brand that they have is Glow Authority. So I have the box. There are multiple products inside. I'm going to show you what's inside in a bit. And I have this one. Before I go to the sunscreen, yeah, it's a sunscreen. Let's go to what's inside the box. This is called the Pore Care Brightening Kit. Care Brightening Bar, Pore Care Brightening Day Cream, Pore Care Brightening Toner, and Pore Care Brightening Night Cream. So you have a cleansing bar, 2 creams, one for daytime and one for nighttime, and 1 toner. 4 products inside this box. You can buy this online from their TikTok shop and other places. All the links and the details will be down below and on my blog, diyosa.life.com. This one, this net thing, you can use this, you can put the bar inside para mas madali siya mag-foam. This is the bar. I don't think I'm going to open it right now. The bar is 100 grams. It says here it has Cocos nucifera, so that's coconut oil, aqua, that's water, sodium hydroxide, aloe use are also here. Apply soap gently after lathering. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to areas you wish to lighten and smoothen. Massage thoroughly, rinse off, and pat dry. You can use this to brighten your skin. Brightening and whitening are 2 different things. To brighten your skin and for deep pore cleansing. I think I'm going to use this on my face, and I think you can also use this for your body. And then this is the toner. It's called the Pore Care Brightening Toner, 60 ml. I think you can also buy all these products individually. I don't know the prices yet. And then you have the 2 creams, 20 grams. One has SPF 30+++. That's obviously the day cream. Ito yun siya, guys. But the same packaging. So we will know more about this pretty soon. I'm going to show you when I open them finally. And then sa box mismo may nakalagay. So nandito yung mga product descriptions. Meron din suggested routine dito. Obviously, you do what works for you. Usually, I do like the basic cleanse, tone, and moisturize, plus a little bit of sunscreen in the daytime if I'm not tinatamad. Kung hindi tinatamad. Yun yung important doon. And then finally, this one is what I'm really excited about. Although I am quite happy with the sunscreen that I'm currently using, I'm excited to try this one because I've heard so many good things about this. It's the Glow Authority Ultra Brightening Melt-In Sunscreen. It is 50+ PA. So it has antioxidants, UVB plus UVA protection. Nakalagay yung description sa likod. Skin Balancing Day Cream. It helps to protect your skin from the sun while repairing the damage caused by free radical assault. Reduces inflammation and soothes sensitive skin while strengthening the dermal layer. Rich combination of sunflower oil, so that's the active ingredient, vitamin E and sunscreen SPF 50 that will give you visibly younger, softer, and smoother skin. Apply sunscreen generously to all exposed skin for 30 minutes before sun exposure. I'm pretty excited about this. So that's it, guys. That's the very quick introduction to the new Glow Authority products that I will be using in the coming days, weeks, or probably months. Yeah. And this is my skin condition now. I'm not wearing anything, not even moisturizer. I just cleansed my face. If you can notice, my hair is still a little bit wet because I took a shower like an hour ago. I'm going to share in a separate video the products that I've been using since 2020. I've been using a lot of different brands. I've been trying different products. I will be talking more about those in a future video. I'm going to do my skincare routine, apply some makeup, and do the other filming of other stuff that I have to film today. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to know more about these products, please visit the accounts of Glow Authority and My Skin on various social media platforms. The links will be down below. All the details will also be on my blog at josalife.com. Please visit that as well. And let me know if you have any questions about my skincare routine, or if you want to suggest any products or anything to my skincare routine. Not just to me, but to the other viewers as well. Please like if you enjoyed this video. Share this with your friends if they're interested in Glow Authority or in skincare in general. Please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I have uploaded a new skincare video. Visit my blog and follow me on other social media platforms as well. Thank you guys for watching. Daghang salamat.